Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Wanted to ask you guys if you could do me a favor. If you're watching these videos and checking out the channel and you like what you see, if you guys could hit the subscribe button for me, we would really appreciate that. We are working our way to trying to get monetized so that we can build bigger and better cars and more builds and so on and so forth and keep doing this. And that would help us a lot if you guys could do that for us. So that's really all I got for you. Really appreciate all of you. Stay tuned. We've got lots of cool builds coming. Lots of things starting to happen on a lot of different cars. So it won't just be the Thing. It's going to be the Thing, the 40 Ford, the Apache. There's going to be a lot of things happening. So just stay tuned, and I will try my best to get you as many videos as I can, including Don's 1957 Chevy two-door post that we're working on. There's a lot going on over there too. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for everything. We really appreciate you. Have a great night. Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. So, did a couple shorts. I wasn't physically present for a couple reasons to video the actual painting of the doors. One, we ran out of clear. I had to go get more clear, and the other, I had to take my wife to work while he was actually putting the base down in the sealer. So, but we did get the doors painted. They look great, no issues. Nothing. They've been painted now for a little over an hour. Don't have any of that alligator cracking shit. None of that's happening. So let me show you what we got. Here we go. That is 3 coats of base, 3 coats of clear, 1 coat of sealer. Turned out really good. Really happy with it. Now we're gonna let these dry all day today and all day tomorrow. And then we'll pick back up on Thursday with them, wet sand buff them, get them back on the car, get them, I might even wait another day before I assemble the rubbers and stuff, just to make sure it's dry and I don't do anything stupid. So that's what's happening here. So this is going really well. Haven't really gotten into anything else because here's the guns we use.
This is from Harbor Freight.
Is that the paint gun or clear gun?
This is the paint. This is the what I use for the base.
This is the gun, HVLP. Let's see. So this is the guns we use. It's from Harbor Freight. It's a Black Widow Spectrum HVLP.
Does a great job.
Does a really good job. And then here's the clear gun. It's the Black Widow HTE. And the difference in these, one's a clear gun, one's a base gun. The tip sizes, so this is a 1.3 tip. What's that one? 1.7.
Yeah.
So the tips are different, so on and so forth, but these are the guns that we use. So
on this particular
project.
We do have to build.
This is the clear JC630. So on and so forth. So it's shop line. Now when we do the next cars, the Apache, the Chrysler, the 40 Ford, we'll be using very different stuff. Hiring clear, hiring paint. Probably Dextron or something to that effect. And the reason for that, the reason we didn't use it on this is we just had literally 2 gallons of sprayable paint in flame red from my dad's truck from like 2 years ago. 2 years ago. Paint was still good. So we would figure we're gonna paint it red anyway. Let's just use what we have. And why spend the money on paint if you have paint, right? So stuff's expensive. Now on the 40, we have the paint. I went ahead and bought the better quality paint. I don't remember the brand. I think it's PPG. And then he's got the European clear, the better clear he bought for it. So this should turn out, this should just look wet all the time. That deep luster and wet look is what the 44 will have on it. Now, I'm still working on talking him into getting a flame job on it and being black with flames like his old Model A sedan. Getting the guys to flame it like that. Now the guy that did my dad's car and my coupe has passed away, but there is another guy that does flames identical, pretty much identical to him. So maybe we can get that done. So he's up in Cincinnati area, so up in Ohio, and just maybe we can get something like that done over the course of the next, next year kind of thing. So that's this. I have no idea what we're going to paint the Chrysler or the Apache or the Chevelle for that matter. I know they're not going to be red. That's one thing. Chrysler originally was black with a bright red interior, and that's a good look. I have thought extensively about a midnight blue with white walls, with a cool wheel. Hey Barry! With a kind of go with a tan or a white and black interior. Thought that would just be a classy look for this car. But again, we're not there yet. We're not even close. So I think if we started bodywork on this, we could probably have it ready for paint in a month or two. Probably a month, honestly, a little over. And have everything undercoated and whatnot. The underneath of this is killer. So the Apache, God only knows. It's so far away, I have no idea. But that's what I got for you guys. Just thought you might want to see that. Ron's cleaning out the guns. For those of you that don't know it, he uses this stuff here. It's a naked gun spray gun cleaner. Instead of soaking them in lacquer thinner and stuff, over and over and over. So, it might help you out. Now, we had 56% humidity and 82 degrees temperature when we painted. So, much better conditions. That's probably close to 40% less humidity than when we painted them the first time. So, very, very happy. It's comfortable in the garage. It's not terrible. So, anyway, guys, I'm going to come back to you in a little bit, let you know what else we end up getting done for the day, but I just thought I'd show you this. Thought you'd be interested. Thanks for watching. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. We pulled the hardtop off for the first time in a very long time since we got the glass put on it. So there's the hardtop. It is dirty, but we'll get it all cleaned up. Most of that is sand, believe it or not. But here's our 73 Volkswagen thing with no top, no doors. It's so freaking cool. I love this car. I absolutely love it. Dad and Don are hanging out over here. But yeah. So really what we're doing now, a couple little things. We're going to tape this off here. We're going to repaint this section right here. It just needs it. So we're going to clean that up over the next couple days. And then put this thing back together, clean it up, and buff it out, polish it out, and get it ready. Now, I am thinking about going to Bug Jam. It's in Dade City, which is only about 30 minutes away. We went 2 years ago, I guess. It was pretty cool. But thinking about going to Bug Jam with it, maybe drive it over. I'd love to drive it over with the top off and all that and put it up for sale and see how that goes, but we shall see. We gotta see where we get. I'm not about to put a deadline on myself like that, like I did with Louisville, but it'd be fun to take, But so far, doors are painted. They're just sitting in there drying. Hard top's off. That'll go in the garage here in a little bit. And now we're just fine tuning. We'll get this thing in probably Thursday, get it jacked up,
get it jacked up, and we'll get the wheels and tires off, do a little bit of a front end alignment, get the brakes dialed in, and should be pretty good. So it's running great, no issues. I just drove it again this morning, and 0 issues. So anyway, guys, that's what we're doing. Just wanted to let you in on it, and hardtop came off super easy. There's 5 clamps and 5 bolts with nuts, and boom, 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 and it's off. I mean, it's super simple. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave you with that. I'll probably be back in a little bit to show you this thing in the garage and everything. But thanks for watching Brown's Rod and Custom. Hope you guys are enjoying this. Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. So I'm really enjoying this car. Me and Ron were just talking. We got it pulled in the garage, just kind of go over a couple things. Doors are painted, ready to wet sand and buff here, not tomorrow, but the next day. Hardtop needs a bath, but other than that, the hardtop's fine. We just got it off. This we just got to tape everything off and get this little area ready to touch up real quick, and a couple little things, and we're cooking with hot grease here. So really happy with that. Me and Ron were just talking. I think for sure we're going to go to Bug Jam this year in Dade City. It's a big, for those of you who don't know what Bug Jam is, it's a huge Volkswagen car show in Dade City, Florida. I hear it's one of the bigger ones in the country, maybe the world. So it's a big show. I heard Mike from ThingParts.com's gonna be there. I just reached out to him and offered the car to be in his booth if he needs one, which I don't know if he will or not, but everything on this car came from him. So if you want to talk about publicity, that might be a good one. But see where that all goes. We are definitely going to get a swap meet spot, and we're going to take our 74 no, it's a 76 Super Beetle chassis with new floor pans, title, VIN tag, all of the suspension upgrades that we have. We're going to take all that with us and put it in a 20x20 there, along with all the other Volkswagen stuff I have and thing parts and everything else, and see if anybody needs anything. So if you're coming to Bug Jam in Dade City, November 9th and 10th, I think it is, 9th, 10th, 11th, something like that, we will be there. We will have a swap meet spot, and this will either be in a booth or it will be in the new car, in the for sale area for cars. So that is happening, which is exciting. So me and Ron, we jumped in it and cranked up some tunes and took a ride around the neighborhood. Took a pretty long ride. We put about 5 miles on it, and ran great. First time driving it ever with no top on it, and man, do I like it with no top on it. It is just about my favorite thing about this is when the top's off. I like a convertible, and this is just freaking cool when you're driving it with no top. But and surprisingly, I'm 6'2", and I was wearing a ball cap, and it didn't want to blow off. So that was impressive. Pretty happy with that. But yeah, guys, tomorrow we got a lot going on tomorrow. I got to run over to my Zephyrhills house and meet an AC guy, and AC died at my house over there, so I got to go take care of that, and then cut down a tree and so on and so forth. So I don't know how much will get done tomorrow, but Thursday for sure we will be right back on this. I think Thursday we're going to wet sand and buff the doors. While Ron's doing that, I'm going to jack this up, pull the wheels off, and start going at that and getting the brakes adjusted and trying to get the alignment a little better. And yeah, so that's kind of where we're at on this, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed everything, and we're going to keep going on this and keep bringing you content and see where we get. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and we will see you tomorrow. Have a great night.